Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Moen cartridge is probably one of the most essential components in your faucet, and when it fails, it can be a real headache. Leaks, drips, and reduced water flow are all signs that it's time for a replacement. But don't worry, replacing a Moen cartridge is a manageable DIY project that can save you money and restore your faucet to its former glory. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Number 5. Moen 1225 Faucet Replacement Cartridge. Is your faucet giving you trouble? This replacement part is ideal for fixing those issues without replacing the entire fixture. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Designed for hassle-free installation, this cartridge makes repairs easy. You won't need to be a plumbing expert to get it working. It's designed to make your life easier. The kit includes everything you need for the replacement. This ensures you have all the necessary components for a successful repair. Get everything you need in one package. This is an authentic Moen faucet replacement part. You can trust the quality and compatibility of this component. It's made to the same standards as your original faucet. This product is built to last and is backed by Moen's 1-year limited warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's a reliable choice. It's a durable and dependable solution for your faucet needs. What we like. This cartridge is made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a genuine Moen replacement part, this is the one for you. What people say. The cartridge was a perfect fit and fixed the leak immediately. The faucet is working like new again. Easy to install. Number 4. Moen 1222 Posi Temp Cartridge. This is a brass and plastic cartridge replacement part. It's designed for Moen tub and shower configurations. It's a reliable solution for your needs. Installation is easy with this replacement cartridge. You can quickly get your shower working again. It's designed for your convenience. This cartridge is ideal for repairing plumbing fixtures. You don't need to replace the entire fixture. It helps you save money. This is an authentic Moen faucet cartridge replacement part. You can trust its quality and performance. It's a genuine Moen product. This Posi Temp replacement cartridge is backed by Moen's warranty. You're covered for 1 year. It offers you peace of mind. What we like. This cartridge is specifically designed for tub and shower configurations. It offers hassle-free installation, so you can quickly get your shower back in working order. If you have a Moen tub or shower and need a reliable replacement, consider this one. What people say. The cartridge was a perfect fit and fixed the leak. The faucet is working like new. The product was exactly what I needed and works perfectly. Number 3. Moen 1200 Brass Faucet Cartridge Replacement. Are you experiencing issues with your faucet? This Moen 1200 cartridge replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed for easy installation, getting your faucet back to working order quickly. This package includes a genuine Moen 1200 one-handle faucet cartridge. It's made of durable brass, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability for your kitchen or bathroom. Designed for easy installation, this cartridge replacement saves you time and effort. You won't need to replace the entire fixture, making it a cost-effective choice. This is the ideal part for repairing problematic plumbing fixtures. Instead of replacing the entire faucet, this cartridge can solve the issue, saving you money. This faucet cartridge replacement is an original equipment manufacturer part from Moen. You can trust its quality and compatibility with your existing Moen faucet. This product is built to last, and it's backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's a reliable and durable solution. What we like. This cartridge is made of durable brass. It's designed for easy installation, making the replacement process simple. If you value longevity and want a long-lasting solution for your faucet, this is a great choice. What people say. The faucet is working like new. The cartridge was a perfect fit. Easy to install. Number 2. Enhon Moen 1224 1224B Faucet Cartridge Replacement Kit. Is your double-handle faucet leaking? This kit is designed to fix that. It's compatible with Moen 1224 and 1224B faucets, perfect for your tub or shower. The replacement cartridges are made of quality plastic, and the removal tool is made of metal. This ensures the kit is sturdy and long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about it breaking easily. Replacing the cartridge is straightforward. First, use the removal tool to take out the old one. Then, put the new cartridge in and reinstall the handle. It's that simple. This small kit plays a big role in fixing your faucet. It's ideal for repairing leaks quickly. Having this on hand can prevent water waste and save you money. The package comes with 2 faucet cartridge replacements and 1 removal tool. This gives you enough parts to handle future repairs. It's a complete solution for your faucet needs. What we like. This kit includes a removal tool, making the replacement process easier. It's designed for double-handle faucets, addressing common issues like leaks. If you are experiencing leaks in your double-handle faucet, this kit provides everything you need for a quick fix. What people say. The cartridge was an exact fit and fixed the leak. The faucet is working like new. The product was exactly as described. Number 1. Enhon Moen 1224 Faucet Cartridge Replacement Kit. This is a free pack of replacement cartridges, compatible with Moen 1224 and other double-handle faucets, excluding Roman tubs. They provide a reliable solution to ensure your water is pure and safe. These cartridges improve water flow and prevent leaks. Thanks to the quality construction, your shower will run smoothly and efficiently. Made of high-quality brass and plastic, these cartridges are built to last. The materials extend the life of the cartridge and withstand daily wear and tear. Installation is simple. In just a few easy steps, you can replace your old shower cartridge with these compatible 1224 cartridges. These replacement faucet cartridges measure 2.58 inches and are specifically designed to fit your Moen Faucet 1224 series. What we like. This kit comes with a value 3-pack, providing you with multiple replacements. It improves water flow and prevents leaks, ensuring a smooth shower experience. If you like having spares on hand or have multiple faucets to repair, this is a great value. What people say. The cartridge was an exact fit and fixed the leak. The faucet is working like new. The product was easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.